Just before the weekend, I went to check out this studio on 7th in the East Village. It's $3,200, 5th floor walk-up, and from the pictures, it looked pretty small. But once I got there, I was actually pretty surprised. So I was pretty surprised at this because look at this space. There's a living room and then a really decent sized bedroom. Great sunlight up here on the 5th floor. And closets over there, more closets there. The bathroom and kitchen space is not the greatest, but definitely workable. And you've got that little miniature sink right there. There's your shower, cool ceiling. And there you have it. There are no radiators, so you've got these steam pipes over here. The ceilings here in this part of the apartment are really tall. These have got to be 10 feet at least. These doors that allow tons of sunlight into this room. You've got 2 more windows, and even though they're between 2 buildings, you're basically at the top floor here, so you actually get some sunlight.